morning to all of you. Now today I am going to start geometry chapter number 11, line segment, ray and line. See here, line segments, ray and line. Point, line and plane are three geometrical terms which form the foundation of geometry. Start from point. Point, what is point? A point has no length, breadth or thickness. See here, this is a point. It has no length or breadth. Plane, a plane is a flat surface. A plane is a flat surface which extends indefinitely in all directions. These four directions, it extends indefinitely in all directions. Number 3, line segment. What is line segment? In short, line segment is a part of line. But here, a line segment has a definite length because it is a part of line. PQ 4 centimeter. If the length of PQ equal to 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter or 10 centimeter, that means it is line segment because it has definite length. Now ray, a line segment extend endlessly in one direction is called ray. Just like sun ray, start from sun और कहाँ जाती है ये हमें पता नहीं है, अर्थ में कहाँ तक जाती है ये रेज, but initial point is sun. So ray, what is ray? A line segment extend endlessly in one direction is called ray. Line, what is line? A line segment extend endlessly on both sides. A line has no end point. A line has no end point. A line segment extend endlessly on both sides is called line. A line has no end point. The sign of line is this one because it extends endlessly in both the directions. Now next one, intersecting line. Intersecting lines, two lines in a plane are called intersecting line if they intersect each other at a point. Two lines are said to be intersecting line if they intersect each other at a point. Just like AB and PQ are intersecting lines. These two lines are intersecting line and they intersect each other at a point O. This point is called point of जिस पॉइंट पर ये दोनों लाइन काटती हैं उसको बोलते हैं पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन. नाउ कॉन्करेंट लाइन, 3 or more lines in a plane are said to be concurrent. 3 or more lines are said to be concurrent if all of them pass through the same point and if 3 or more lines, just like this. These lines are concurrent lines. Three or more lines are said to be concurrent if all of them pass through the same point, and this point is called point of concurrence. AB, PQ, RS are three lines. These are concurrent line, and this point is called point of concurrence. जिस point पर ये काटती हैं एक दूसरे को उसको बोलते हैं point of concurrence. Now children, see here, distinction between a line segment, array and line. Write down in your copy this one also, and these definitions जो हमने आपको definitions बताई हैं उनको भी कॉपी में आप लिखेंगे, ड्रॉ भी करेंगे फिगर. Now one more thing, parallel lines. Two lines in a plane are said to be parallel if they do not intersect each other and distance between them will be the same. Though lines, these two lines, these are parallel lines and the distance between them is same. So these lines are parallel lines. If no point is common to two given lines at any instant, then it would mean that the lines do not intersect. Such lines are known as parallel lines. X and Y. These are two lines, and these lines are parallel lines because the distance between them is same. Now children, I am going to start exercise 11 number 11A. I think understand all of you. Now first question is saying identify the and name the line segment and ray. आपको लाइन सेगमेंट और रे का नाम सभी फिगर्स में बताना है. नाउ फर्स्ट फिगर इज एन. सी ए बी एन. Identify and name the line segment and ray. Line segments, CA and BD. Or line. Now children, identify and name the line segment and ray in each of the following. Firstly, line segments and ray. You know, ray has one initial point and no end point. So these are A. Start from A, C, जिसमें एक arrow होगा, and B. Start from B. B is initial point and no end point. A, C or BD. A, C and BD. And line segment A, B. A, B is a line segment because it is a part of line, and AC has one initial point A and no end point. So AC and BD are two rays. Now next figure. Like this, E, G, P, Q, H, F. Again line segments. And rays. See here, firstly rays start initial point E and no end point. E, F. E, F, G, H and P, Q. These are three rays. And line segments. See here, GE, GE, GP and PE. GE, GP and PE. GE, GP and PE. These are the line segments. Now next one. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is saying, in figure write the name of all the points. How many points are here? P, A, Q and B. Write down here P, A, Q and B. Now line segments. How many line segments are here? AQ, UB and UP. AQ, otherwise UA कर भी सकते हैं. UA as you wish. AQ, UB and UB. Line segment AQ, UB and QP. चलन आप कंफ्यूज होंगे कि QP is a ray. So we'll write PQ. No problem at all. Write down like this. PQ कर दीजिए. PQ is a line segment, but QP is a ray. Now rays. Initial point Q. Q से start करना है आपको. QA. Second one QB. Third one QP. Now lines. How many lines are here? जिसमें दो एरो होंगे. Line segment extends endlessly in both the direction. So AB is line segment. But ये आगे आप प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं और two arrows. So AB is a line. Lines here is written lines, but question only one line you have only. AB, only AB. We have only one line. AB. Now next one. Now fourth question is saying name all the rays with initial point as A, B, C respectively. See here, A, start from A, initial point A. Rays, name of ray, AX, AX, AY, AX, AY. Initial point B, BX, BY initial point C, CX and CY. CX this side and CY this side. BX this side, BY this side. AX this side, AY this side. Now question number 5. Now see this figure and draw this figure in your copy. Question is saying two pairs of intersecting lines. This is question number 6. Two pairs of intersecting lines. These are two intersecting lines. I told you two lines are said to be intersecting lines if they intersect each other at a point, and point is called point of intersection. So intersecting lines are VR. देखिए यहाँ पर इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है तो VR and VR and VZ. One pair and second point here YV and YS, YV and YS or VY and YS. Line whose point of intersection is P. Point of intersection is P. PS, this line PS and PR. PS and PR. कॉलिनियर पॉइंट, एक ही लाइन पे बने हुए पॉइंट, एक लाइन में पॉइंट बने होंगे, उनको कॉलिनियर कहेंगे. जस्ट लाइक दिस इज लाइन, सपोज दिस इज ए लाइन D, दिस इज लाइन D. D पर कितने पॉइंट बने हुए हैं? P, Q and R. These are collinear point. P, Q and R are collinear point. And non-collinear point जो लाइन पर नहीं है, P, S and X. P, S and X. Again, two pairs of intersecting lines. We'll write only two pairs of intersecting lines. This point and this point is point of intersection. These two points, and write down the name of lines. Line whose point of intersection is P, PS and PR. Collinear point. Points on one line P, Q, R. These are collinear point. P, X, T are also collinear. S, T, Y are also collinear points. Understand? Now non-collinear points P, S and X. These are non-collinear points. Now question number 3. Do yourself 3 and 5. How many line segments are there in the figure? So what AB, BC, CD, CDE and EF. These are 5 line segments. Now question number 5. See figure and solve these questions. Now last one is fill in the blanks. 3 or more points that lies on the same line are called collinear. जैसे अभी आपको बताया, these are collinear points P, Q and R. 3 or more points that lie on the same lines are called collinear points. A line segment has a definite length. Line segment has a definite length. अगर आपको लिखा हुआ है 4 सेंटीमीटर 10 सेंटीमीटर की लाइन ड्रॉ करिए, that means you will draw line segment. Now array has one end point. Initial point is called end point. और आपको पता नहीं है कि कहाँ तक जाएगी रे. Array has one end point. If two lines have a common point, they are called intersecting lines, and point is called a point of intersection. Three or more lines in a plane are concurrent line if all of them pass through the same point. Now 1 2 3 4 5 5 in the blanks completed. So it is completed. Solve objective questions, very easy these are. How many points does the given figure has? कितने पॉइंट है देखिए, B O C E D. How many points? 5 points. In the given figure the ray will be named as, इस रे का नाम क्या है? O A. देखिए O A के ऊपर आपको सिंबल दिया हुआ है लाइन सेगमेंट का, आपको लिखना है इन द गिवन फिगर द रे विल बी नेम्ड एज ओ ए. Here objective questions. Number 1 5. Number 2 ray OA. This is ray. One initial point, one arrow only. Now a line segment has definite length but no end point, infinite length but no end point. This is correct. The point at which two lines cross each other is called, the point at which two lines cross each other is called point of intersection, and lines are called intersecting lines. Two distinct lines meeting at a point are called intersecting lines. Numbers of lines which can be drawn from one point. This is an important question. वन पॉइंट से आप कितनी लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So many. Answer number B is correct. Number of lines which can be drawn from one point, but 2 point will draw only one line. 2 पॉइंट से एक ही लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, बट 1 पॉइंट से आप so many lines will draw, so many lines like this. दो पॉइंट से एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे और एक पॉइंट से as much as possible you will draw lines. Now chapter test paper, try to complete it. Chapter test paper, next one is NCERT questions and reasoning mathematics. In next video I'll start reasoning. You have 2 books of maths main, this one, and reasoning. I'll start first chapter of reasoning. Thanks to all of you.